you're going to be given a lovely, a fabulous set of coordinate points. I'm going to pause for a sec. They will. They'll let us know which color we were. All right, so you're going to be given a set of points. Your job is to label these points. So you ready? We're going to call this X1, Y1, and X2, Y2. It is very important, the order. All right? Everybody getting this so far? So all I'm doing is labeling because these are the X and Y coordinates. And I'm going to change the color here. So this is your X coordinate, this is your Y coordinate, this is your X coordinate, this is your Y coordinate. All I did was literally mark this one is number 1, this one is number 2. Everybody okay so far? Now, from here, all you are going to do is you are going to do Y2 minus Y1. That means we're going to take our second Y coordinate minus our first Y coordinate, and we're going to put that over our second X coordinate and our second Y coordinate.
So 6 minus 4?
You got it. So 6 minus 4 over
3 minus 1?
3 minus 1.
And then...
So that becomes 2 over 2, which is just 1.
So sorry, room 316. You are not the 5th caller.
Oh my God. Darn. Once you're done all your solving, it's just 1. All right. How are we doing so far? Any questions on this? I am, that way I can post it for the people who are in PACE or in ISS. Do we want to see one more?
Yes. Let's do 1, negative 1, negative 8, negative 7.
Yeah, I'm not going to do the exact ones that are on your thing. Nice try, though. All right, let's do one with some negatives, though. Let's do, like, say, negative 1, 1. And...
Negative 7, 8. I got the opposite.
That'll work. Negative 7,
Negative
8. Is it positive 8 or negative 8?
Negative.
All right, so we're going to make it negative 8. So this is very similar to one of the ones that you'll see. So yet again, X1, Y1, X2, Y2. All I'm doing is just labeling my first set is 1, my second set is 2. And Layla, you may want paper because you're about to do this. All right, so yet again, I'm going to start with my nice little formula. X2 minus X1. So my X2, or sorry, my Y2 is negative 8 minus 1. Negative 7 minus negative 1. Glad we decided to do this one. All right, reminder, when I have a double negative, that becomes a positive. So these both are negative. So negative 8 minus 1. I'm going to the left on a number line and I'm going to the left on a number line. That means I went to the left 9 times. If you subtract, you go to the left on a number line. They're the same signs, so you add. I'm just bringing in a number line to make it easy. Negative 7 plus 1. They're different signs. 7's bigger, so that'd be 6. Then I'm gonna simplify this. They're both negative. I can divide them both by 3. Let me change the color on that way you can see it. So I'm going to be left with 3 over 2, and that would be my answer. All right, questions? Do we need to see another negative?
How do I put 7, 8 in this?
7/8?
Where's my slash?
Guys, if you use your slash on your Chromebook, it's the one that's right underneath your question mark. It'll automatically put it into a fraction for you. All right, so I'm going to ask again. Do we want to see another one that has negatives in it?
How do I restart this?
No, we good? Are we good? Are we good? We don't need to see another one of these.
Let's get. How did I restart this?